anymore, but my new dash cam arrives in about 2 days. So for now, I'm just gonna do this for a couple of minutes, and that's it. And point is, I wish I was started recording about 2 minutes before this. I made a right turn from a stop sign. This bad boy got sideways, chirped the tires, smoked them, my Mickey Thompsons, and everything. All right? It's like, so far so good, thank God. Engine temp's 180. So far so good. I don't want to get a ticket, so I'm gonna stop this video, as I stated, in just a couple of minutes. It wouldn't stay in the dash, so I have to hold it. All right, I've driven my car before, I beat on it before. I'm not trying to soup it up, but Max Air Carbs, I'm telling you, my engine even sounds different, stronger, faster. Like the $6 million man. Again, I didn't touch one adjustment screw, bolt, nut, nothing. Max sent me my Holley-950 back, which was formerly a Holley-850 originally. He sent my 950 back. I bolted it on with the 4 bolts and my fuel line, and swear to God, I have not touched it. Right, that's it for now.